The Parker Regional Chamber of Commerce and Tourism is offering a set of workshops at Blue Water Resort and Casino. These workshops will provide you and your business the opportunity to implement new strategies for first-rate customer service that can give your business a leg up on the competition and establish more lifelong customers. March 21st, Leadership for Business Success Luncheon, noon to 1:30 p.m., and 2 classes on March 22nd, Customer Service Inside and Out, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. or 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. If you and your staff are looking to polish your communication, customer service, and leadership skills, these events are for you. Call Parker Regional Chamber of Commerce and Tourism at 928-669-2174 or parkeraz.org to register online. Sponsored in part by Blue Water Resort and Casino, La Paz County, and Parker Regional Chamber of Commerce and Tourism, where your business is our business.